The shift from hardware to experience. For years, meeting room conversations have centered on hardware. Which camera is sharper, which microphone sounds better, or how large the display should be. But today, our industry is undergoing a fundamental shift. The real question is no longer what equipment are we installing, it's what experience are we creating. Think about the best meeting you've ever joined. You probably didn't notice the technology at all. You walked in, tapped one button, and the meeting simply started. Remote participants felt included. Conversations flowed naturally, and no one wasted time troubleshooting cables. That's what great meeting room design looks like. Technology that becomes almost invisible. Modern workplaces expect this level of simplicity. Employees don't want to be AV experts. They just want meetings to work. That's why we're seeing growing demand for standardized rooms, one-touch joint experiences, and intelligent systems that enhance audio and video automatically. At Cackle, this is the philosophy we design around. Rather than starting with a list of devices, we start by understanding how teams collaborate. From there, we help organizations plan spaces where the hardware supports the experience, not the other way around. Because when technology is thoughtfully implemented, it empowers people without becoming a distraction. Creating a great meeting experience also means considering the human elements. Room layout, acoustics, lighting, and sightlines, all the details that shape how people engage. As you plan your next meeting space, perhaps the better question isn't, what hardware do we need? Instead, ask, will this technology help people collaborate or get in the way? Because ultimately, people remember the meeting, not the equipment.